Okay, we are here now. Just changed the ignition coil and spark plug that was causing the misfiring in the cylinder. Let's see if it runs at all. It's quite exciting. Seems to work. All right. I think it's time for a test drive. Sehän toimii jumalauta. Maybe it's just my imagination, but it feels like the car is running much smoother already, even though I haven't even tried it out yet properly. We're just driving to the highway to test it properly if it still misfires. Yeah, definitely feels much smoother. Maybe this fixed the problem. Lovely. Oliko kolmosella sama? Yeah, we fixed the car! I thought I would get some more horsepower as well, but that didn't happen. This is nice. Sun is out. My car works perfectly. The perfect Sunday. Someone just drove past me with an Alfa. I don't know if this is common in other countries, but in Finland, every Alfa driver waves at one another when passing on the road. It's a nice habit. Kato, Alfa. Ei ne huomannut minua ollenkaan. I'm gonna treat you with some drive-by shots now, since the weather is so nice. This car feels so smooth now. Earlier I thought that's just what this car is like when it was doing these vibrations and stuttering while accelerating and stuff, but now I see it was a fault. I don't know why I didn't fix it earlier. I'm gonna go past this guy. Doesn't know how to drive. Yeah, the power delivery also feels much more, much quicker to response. So nice. Now the car's fixed. Too bad I wasn't able to do it in the spring when I bought it. but at least it will be ready for next summer, unless it breaks down during the winter time, which I assume it will. Well, that was hard. I'm gonna miss this car in the winter. Dear. Awful. Let's hope they fix the road next year. Yeah, I think this might soon change into my least favorite roads if the road is gonna be this badly maintained. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel Car Peasants.